Solve for x. So this one looks a little bit intimidating because it's all the negative symbols that you can see in this particular equation. But let's have a look and apply our normal method of solving, and let's see where it gets us. So in this case, it might be useful to think, okay, so these are the terms, okay, and their operators. We've got minus x, minus 30, 18, minus 3x. So if we start thinking like that, we will look at the constants first. So we've got minus 30 and 18. Which one is the least value? Well, minus 30. So let's cancel the minus 30 by adding 30, and we do that to both sides. So that's cancelled out, and what we're left with is minus x equals 48, right? 18 plus 30 minus 3x. So now again, we want to get rid of or cancel out the term with a variable and a coefficient. We want to cancel out that kind of a term which has the lowest value. In this case, it's minus 3x. That is less than minus x, which is basically minus 1x. So we add 3x to one side, and we add 3x to the other side. What that does, it cancels out the minus 3x and leaves 48 on the right hand side. On this side, minus 1 effectively, right, plus 3 gives us 2. So we're into the positives now. It's 2x. From this point, it looks pretty simple. This says 2 times x, so what we want to do is we want to cancel out multiplying by 2 by dividing by 2. Do that to both sides. That leaves us with x on the left hand side. Let me just make that a better looking x. Okay. So x on that side, 48 divided by 2 is 24. Is that correct? Well, the best way to do that is to substitute into the equation 24, where it was x. So in this case, it'll be minus 24 minus 30 equals 18 minus, what is that, 3 times 24. So let's have a look at that. Minus 24 minus 30, well, that should take us down to minus 54. So the left-hand side is worth minus 54. On this side, we've got 3 times 24. So 24 times 3, right? That's 72. So effectively what this means is 18 minus 72. So if you would like to use a calculator, feel welcome to use a calculator. So 18 minus 72. That should equal minus 54, and it does. So this equals minus 54. So what that means is that the right-hand side is equal to minus 54, and the left-hand side is equal to minus 54. They are equal, both sides are equal, therefore x equals 24 is correct.